Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the process of designing and implementing machines or devices that are capable of doing certain tasks. It has been used in a number of ways in the past, but the most common use is as a term for the act of creating intelligent life. While there are many different types of AI, the most common are machine learning, natural language processing, and artificial general intelligence. Artificial intelligence is going to play a significant role in the future. It's being used to improve various aspects of our lives, from search results to text recognition. With perfect AI becoming more common, it will only become more and more difficult for humans to learn about new things. On a related note, AI has also been used to improve the quality of life for humans. It's already becoming easier for humans to find new things to do, and the amount of data that is being collected on humans has become overwhelming. With perfect AI, there is no reason why humans can't achieve great things together. Artificial intelligence is the development of artificial intelligence that is not based on human intelligence. Some people are of the belief that this could happen in the future, so artificial intelligence is considered by many to be a very possible industry. Some people believe that AI should be used for good, while others believe that AI should be used for evil. I believe that AI should be used for good because it is the future and because it is necessary for our world.